Hello, my friends. I am combining two videos here. One was a swipe. The second one was a rework of the swipe. And I'm speeding up the first part up to 4 times the normal speed because I was very slow and methodical with my swiping. And you don't need to be bored with the slowness of that. So here we go. I like to tilt my base coat on a swipe to get a nice thin, even layer all around. This is a bit of an experiment because I wasn't sure what pouring medium I used on the black. I combined a couple of them that I had on my tabletop, so it was a bit of a mystery as to what kind of effect I would get. The other experimentation part was I used both damp and dry paper towel. I wanted to see what kind of a difference there was. Now this was damp, and when I swipe upward, it was with a dry paper towel. And I really can't see much of a difference, so I think to keep it even easier, in the future I probably won't dampen the paper towel. I had several of them pre-moistened though, so I did use them here. So the colors were metallic bronze, metallic black. That is Prism Pour Baltic Amber, I believe was the color, and gold by Master's Touch. The first two were Artist Loft. So those are the colors, and I think I'll put on some music and you can see what I'm doing without any further explanation. my friends, part 2. If you watched this video the other day, it looks a little different than it did when I stopped the video because the Prism Pour paint started selling up really differently than the rest, and I didn't love the way it looked, so I kind of reswiped some areas with the bronze. And I like it better, but then I realized, I think I mentioned that I added a little cup of black that I had to my base coat, and I think I had silicone in it. Pretty sure I did, and that's what made these knothole looking things. So not happy about that. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try dressing it up with some of my squiggle pour kind of things. So don't watch this if you like that video, because I'm going to change it up completely, but I'm going to have a little fun with it. I'm going to kind of do what I did with the orange one. And here we go. Oops. It's supposed to be round-ish. Fairly round. Oops. Not supposed to be dripping like that. But, you know, it's only paint. If you're not happy with what you see, you try to make it, keep working at it till you can live with it, or scrape it. Okay, I'm gonna make this less and less as it goes out over here. I'm not using the Prism Pour, but I'm using the bronze. Yeah, I'm liking this better already. And the metallic black. I love combining techniques, and I had never thought about doing this before. A swipe with this on top of it, so I like that. Okay, anything else? I'm afraid to add that. I do have some, I don't think I want to add any white. I have some Naples yellow. Maybe I'll add that. Just a touch of it. Let's see. Is that a mistake? I'll go sparingly. I don't think so. I think it works well enough with the metallics. I keep it skinny. Oops, I guess I should stop there. That was a bad sign. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Let me bring you in again. Wow, it's looking so washed out through my camera. What's up with that? It's very golden and it looks more yellow. Well, anyway, you can. What do you think? I like it better. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.